Life is a journey filled with trials, tribulations, and triumphs. Although it may not come with a manual, every once in a while one comes across tools that make the journey easier. The book we are reviewing today will certainly come in handy as you navigate life's stormy waters. It's The Journey Through the Wilderness by Bonnke Shipalana. In this book, Shipalana likens one's life journey to that of a train ride. He says that once we are born, we get on a train heading to an unknown and unplanned destination. Maximizing one's life depends on a clear understanding of the reason why one is on the train and answering two life-changing questions. Who am I? And where am I going? The book starts off with a short and interesting analogy aptly titled, The Funeral of the Person Hindering Your Growth. The author points out that the only person who can hinder your growth is you. He then goes on to touch on a range of stimulating topics such as discipline, faith, obedience, and submission, which are essential tools for getting through the various wilderness phases that we undergo. The book is peppered with anecdotes that drive each point home and give one food for thought. The author also offers the reader an option to note any personal action steps he or she needs to take on completion of each chapter. Using biblical passages as points of reference and drawing from the lives of biblical characters such as Moses, David, and Jesus, this book will help you as you navigate the storms of life, challenge you to swim against the current, and encourage you to build your life on a solid foundation of faith and spirituality. Get yourself a copy of The Journey Through the Wilderness at your nearest bookstore today.